Tomorrow is a big day. We will read the report. We will quickly look at the women gains in that report. We will audit it for where it advances the women gains, and then we will come back and address you after we all read the report, as the President has advised us. And also, just lastly, there is a rule we are calling the opposite gender rule. If you look at that Senate committee, if you have a chairman who is male, you need a vice chair who is female. When the men are speaking to themselves, they don't understand these things. Wanasema tu vitu lose. Ati women are not contributing, while the data, if you look at the Hansard, you will actually see the contribution of women in parliament. You can't just rise up and say women are not contributing without the benefit of the data. So we want where the chairman is male, the vice chair is female, so that we are able to nasaidiana how we look at these matters as a society. And we are hoping that in the processes that go on, that opposite gender rule, just as you have the Chief Justice and the Deputy Chief Justice as male and female of the opposite gender rule, we hope that that will also be done, and not just at national level. At every committee, even a village committee, where the chairman is male, the deputy is female. Where the CEO is male, the deputy CEO is female, so that we can both take care and take charge of our destiny as a country. And you look at countries where gender equality is respected, those countries have higher GDPs. This has been proved. The economy of India grew when the women were allowed to take part in economic activities. The economy of Rwanda, the economies of developed countries, the Nordic countries, it is because women are playing their rightful role. 50% is the rightful role that we want. If our country allows women to play their rightful role, we will really be able to advance faster on economic developments and on political developments. But for today, it is common women agenda. Many voices, but many voices, one message. Common women agenda. Common women agenda. The men should listen. The voices they hear, those are women coming.